In this video, we are going to make our game manager. So let's come to our hierarchy and then right click, create empty object, and I will call it game manager. Then I will reset it to 000. Then I will add the photon view. So now let's create a new C# and call it game manager. And I'm going to attach the game manager to our game manager object. Now let's open it. So now I'm going to delete the start and update function, add to namespace to it, the photon.pon and photon.realtime. Instead of mono behavior, I will make it mono behavior pon. Then let's make some variable. The first variable will be player controller, left player, and also for right player. And public player controller, current player. So now let's make a variable for our host time. So public float host game time. Then we make this script to singleton. Public static game manager instance, and then we make a await function. Instance is equal to this script. So now let's go and make a start function. So now before we write anything there, let's make a function here, void set players. And then we come back here and we will write if from the photon network to check it. So if photon network dot is master client, then we want it to set our player. Now here we will write left player dot photon view dot transfer ownership, set of the bound is 1, and then same for the right player but this time instead of 1 we have 2. So now let's initialize the player. So left player dot photon view dot RPC and we need to initialize it. So here we will use the function initialize. Then we want it to be RPC target all. No, not target, RPC target. Then all buffered. Then photon network. So dot current room. Dot get player, and the player that we want to get is player number 1, and semicolon. So now we will do the same for our white player. Now instead of the 1, I will make it 2, and instead of the left player, I will make it to right player. Now we will make another pan RPC because we want to see that. Here, void set next turn. So if current player is equal to null, then we want the current player is equal to left player. You want that our left player start at the beginning. Now we will write else. So here current player is equal to current player is equal double equal to left player, and question mark if the left player started left player turn. Now after that we want the white player will be turn, and when there is a white player turn, we want the left player turn. So here left player. So now let's go to our player controller script. In the button here we are going to make a new function, public void begin turn. Now we need to set all the units, so for we need to loop to all of them. So for each unit, so unit in units, then unit that use this turn is equal to 2. Now we need also update the UI. So now we are going back to our game manager script, and then here as set next turn we will write if current player is equal to player controller.me. If it's us, Then we want to set that function that we created right now. So player controller dot me dot begin turn. Now here we want to toggle the end turn button. So now let's make the last function. This is to kill the end turn, we will do it later. But here, let's make another function. So player controller get other player. So here player controller, player parameter, return player is equal to, so left player question mark, right player, left player. So now let's save the script. I'm going back to our units. So in the top, on top of our Hertz field image, we will write if is mine, then player controller dot me dot units dot add and this. Now else if it's not our unit, so game manager dot instance dot get other player inside player controller dot me dot units dot add and this. So now let's save it and go back to the game. So save all the script. Now let's click on our left player. So here you need to spawn, I will say 3. I will name of them is the tank. So tank, tank, tank. Then spawn point. From here, spawn 1. Spawn 1, spawn 2. So now let's do the same for our white player. Here we want to 3 units, tank, 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 and spawn points. We are going to use the white player spawn point. So now we are going to our resource, add our tank to there. So now in the next video we are going to work on the commanding our units. See you in the next video.